Okay, hi guys, it's me Macy. Today we're going to be making a video of how to make eggs, scrambled eggs in a microwave. So let's go. Okay, so first you need eggs in a bowl and fork.
Oh,
I got a bowl, fork, egg, and milk. Don't forget milk.
My misfortune is a Christmas bonus for you. So this week, wrap up that old trade, re-gift it to me, and I'll pay you $4,300 more than Kelly Blue Book value, plus $1,000 in Christmas cash. Past credit products giving you cold feet. Everybody rides. Credit approval pro.
Okay, so I stirred it all up now.
It's
We're
time
going
for
to take them
breakfast
out.
with Santa next weekend at
Put a little
Lisa's
bit
at
in there.
Lakeside in Hatley. Bring the kids
Not
Saturday,
much.
December 5th from 9 a.m. to 1.
And then
and have
stir it up
breakfast with
again.
Santa, play some games, and help children's
Then once
miracle
you are
work
done
at
stirring
St.
milk and
Joseph's
the eggs,
Children's Hospital.
put it in the microwave for
Breakfast
3
with
minutes.
Santa from
What to do while I wait.
That's right, Coach. 3 smartphones for just temperature higher requirements. Additional restrictions apply. Visit cellcom.com/Black Friday for details.
I lied. It's 2
Located on
minutes.
Corporate Drive in Wausau.
Online at
Brush it up.
That's LINETEC. Nordies
I'm
protected
done
veterans
crushing
and
it up now.
individuals
Now I'm
with
going to
disabilities
get salt and pepper.
Department
I got
store
salt and
prices
pepper now.
every day for the weather brought
Once
to you
you
by
eat it,
Crossroads
once
County
you're done
Market. May your
putting
life
salt
be
and pepper
blessed
in,
with good friends, great times, and a loving family this
enjoy.